Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Better Canvas. First, locate the Better Canvas extension in your browser store and add it. Once installed, a quick setup wizard will guide you through essential initial configurations. This typically involves selecting your preferred theme and basic layout options to get you started smoothly. It's a straightforward process designed to quickly improve your Canvas interface. Now, let's dive into customization. Better Canvas offers extensive options to personalize your interface. You can choose from various themes, adjust colors, and even select different fonts to make your canvas truly yours. Explore new features like enhanced course navigation and a more intuitive calendar view. Organizing your dashboard with custom course cards helps you prioritize your workload effectively. For advanced users, mastering keyboard shortcuts can significantly boost your efficiency. Learn quick commands to jump between pages or access frequently used tools. If you encounter any display issues, often a quick refresh or checking your extension settings can resolve them. Better Canvas also allows for integration with certain productivity tools, streamlining your workflow even further for a seamless academic experience. To ensure optimal performance, always keep your Better Canvas extension updated. Developers frequently release new features and bug fixes, so staying current is key. It's also a good practice to regularly back up your custom settings, especially if you've spent time perfecting your layout and themes. This prevents any loss of your personalized setup. And hey, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.